Er.Raghabendra Mohapatra, your AutoCAD teacher, and here is the demo class of your AutoCAD. Recently, very soon, we are going to start new education means AutoCAD class, a live class with you students. So, I would like to share my presentation with you. Then we start our demo class. So, this is your Skill Academy, which is the online educational platform, and we offering various type of courses like computer, AutoCAD, and competitive exam types. So you follow our website and follow our course fees or anything, then we contact to us by our contact number. And now we start the demo class of AutoCAD. The topic is your AutoCAD. AutoCAD, first of all, AutoCAD is the full form of the AutoCAD is the automatic computer aided design software. It is basically the software model. Okay, this is the software by which and it helps the engineers and several architectures that are finding to impossible to deal with the drawings and plans of project of engineering and bring on the verge of the perfections. Okay, means before the AutoCAD, we draw any type of drawing or plans by drafter, pencil, and using your drawing table. So it is very difficult to carry this one job site to another job site. Very difficult for the engineer. So in 1982, the Autodesk company developed a new software. Actually, basically, it is called as a drawing software or a planning software that is named as AutoCAD, which helps the engineers to draw any type of plan on the job site within few hours or within few minutes by applying or using some commands. And it is also error-free, means error-free. This is no error to design the or draw the drawing on AutoCAD software. And also, basically, you do any type of means any 2D or 3D types of drawing on this software, designing software of AutoCAD. So here is some command lines or toolbars which is using in AutoCAD. So now we see the AutoCAD. It is your AutoCAD software. Use this is the AutoCAD software, and here is the start button. You can see it. Here is the start button, and below the start button, it is another toolbar, means it is another option that is open. Whenever you click it, click the upon, then it shows some drawings. Means if you draw any type of drawing in your previous, means you draw any type of drawing, then these drawings can see in this platform on this open platform. Then by clicking on the drawing shows in the display screen of the AutoCAD. Okay, so it is the open. Below the open, here is the new, means whenever you click in the new button, there is some template which is using in the software. Actually, it is a demo class. Basically, all the things we can discuss in the upcoming classes in a brief. Okay, in a brief. So here is the start button. This is the plus button. Means whenever we click it, it goes the display screen of the AutoCAD. How? You just click the left click of the mouse button. Then directly it shows the working sheet or display sheet of the screen of the AutoCAD. It is called as, this is called as working sheet. Means how whenever you draw anything in the drawing paper, that is your working sheet. Like that, whenever you draw anything in the working sheet of AutoCAD, that is your working sheet or display screen of the AutoCAD. Okay, this is your toolbar or ribbon bar. Okay, this is your ribbon bar. Whenever we using commands, means like line commands, we using the line command. The shortcut of that line command is present here. So it is called as command bar or command ribbon bar or command toolbar. Okay, this is your modified toolbar. Modified toolbar means it presents some modified commands, means mirror, image, or copy, move, trim, anything. And here is the text bar. Text bar, using the text bar, you can write anything in this display screen or working sheet. Okay, so it is your toolbar of AutoCAD, which is present or which is includes modify command bars, the command bars or command toolbars, or text bars, or other commands, shortcut bars. And here is it shows the coordinate, means actually previously I said that you can draw in 2D and 3D drawings in AutoCAD. So whenever go to this setting button to find these three, drafting means it is mode of 2D, then 3D basic and 3D modeling. So it is the whatever you can see in your screen now, it is the 2D. It is the 2D drawing. Okay, it is the 2D drawing mode. So here it represents the only two coordinates, means x and y. Whenever it goes to the 3D setting or 3D mode, here another axis are added, that is z axis, but it is the 2D mode. So here is the x, y coordinate only, and it shows the coordinate of the screen bar or display screen of the AutoCAD. And here is the command box. Okay, when whatever the commands are using or typing in this command box, you can type whatever the command using in software, AutoCAD software. Okay, for example, we draw a line. We draw a line on the AutoCAD. How? We click on the command box, then we type line, means L. Okay, the command of the line is in AutoCAD is L, and whenever we write the L, it shows the line. Okay, then you click it, then it shows the specify the cast point, means whenever we draw anything, we point something, then we draw, like that. Here we point something, then we draw, and after clicking the first point, it shows the line specify the next point, means the distance. Actually, one point to another point, whenever we draw anything, this is the distance. So we want to make a line up to distance 2000 millimeter. So here we put 2000. Okay, here we put 2000, then enter. Remember, if you does not click the enter button, the command does not display or just display screen. If you put the or click the command enter button, then AutoCAD accept the command whatever you put in the command box. So after typing 2000 or entering 2000, we must be click on the enter button. Then you see that it is the line. It is the line. Whatever you put a command here in command box, the result is here in front of you in this screen. So like that, various type of commands using line, arc, circle, body some modify commands, copy, move. So gradually all the things we have to discuss all the things. Okay, we have to discuss all the things. So it is here only the demo class, and within few days we are going to live with you students to discuss all the things of AutoCAD. And this course is your two-type courses, means that is a duration of 3 months and 6 months, and it is very few amount. Means the charges of the AutoCAD learning fees, it is very not so high. It is very minimum. So next few days we are going to launch the classes with you, and here's the demo class, and I hope you like it, and thank you so much. And another point is, after completion of these AutoCAD classes, you can also get the valuable certificate which can help you to your job interview, any type of job in your future. So this is a very interesting classes of AutoCAD, and it is very useful, and it is very important for any civil or mechanical engineers to draw any type of drawings to any type of plans by the using of software, by the using of some commands. So thank you students, stay tuned, and we are going to live very soon, and thank you so much. Thank you.